The keys clicked softly, each letter echoing in the empty study as Aaron forced his weary fingers to dance across the old typewriter. Shadows stretched long against the walls, the lamp's glow barely holding them back. He paused, massaging his aching wrists, but the typewriter continued. Click, click, click. His hands hovered, frozen. Words appeared on the page, crisp and purposeful. Don't stop now. Aaron stared, heart thudding. He reached to tear the sheet free, but the carriage jerked violently, slamming his fingers aside. More words spilled forth, faster now. You're almost finished. The story was no longer his. Paragraphs poured out, describing him in perfect detail. His trembling breath, the sweat trickling down his temple, the scream caught in his throat. He tried to run, but the chair pressed him firm, the keys hammering with relentless force. You belong here, the typewriter pounded out. Ink bled from the page, pooling around his hands. He watched in horror as the letters crawled onto his skin, etching themselves deep. When the police arrived, they found only the typewriter, quietly waiting, and a new story, written in fresh crimson lines.